Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of English reader, and in our last video we have discussed about the worksheet of this chapter, that is part 1, and in this video we are going to discuss about the worksheet of this chapter, and that is part 2. So students, listen carefully. Now come on, exercise E. Drop the E at the end and make ing word. So students, in this exercise you have to drop E from the words and add ing to this word. Come on, first come, come. Here you have to drop E and add ing, coming. You have to write, first of all you have to write com and add ing. Second, make. Here you have to drop E and add ing, making, making. You have to write making. Now come on, third, write. So student, in this word you have to drop E and add ing, that is writing. You have to write writing at this given place. Now come on, fourth, smile. Here also you have to drop E and add ing, that is smiling. You have to write smiling at this given place. Now come on, fifth, write. Students, here you have to drop E and add ing, that is riding. You have to write riding at this place. Now come on, six, love. Students, in this word you have to drop E and add ing, that is loving. You have to write loving at this given place. So student, I hope you all understand about this exercise. Now come on, next exercise, spelling. So students, this is exercise F. Fill in double letters to make words from the lesson. Students, in this exercises you have to fill double letter from this hint box. This is the hint box. Now come on, first, HO-ING. The student, what is the correct option that is suited in this word? Double P. You have to choose double P from this hint box and fill double P in this word, and the word is hoping. Now come on, second, CAIED. And what is the correct option? Double R. So you have to fill double R from this inbox, and the word is carried. CARRIED, carried. Come on, third, HAER. So student, here you have to fill double M from this inbox and write double M, and the word is hammer. HAMMER, hammer. Come on, fourth, BER. So student, which word you have to fill? Which letter you have to fill in this word? Double T. This is the correct option, and you have to write this double T at this word, and the word is better. BETTER, better. Come on, fifth, SCH-L. So student, what will you feel, and what will you feel in this word? You have to feel double O. You have to feel double O, and the word is school. SCHOOL, school. Now come on, six, flap. FLAED. So student, what is the correct option that you have to feel? You have to feel double P. You have to feel double P from this hint box, and the word is flapped. FLAPPED, flap. Now come on, next, grammar fun. Student, here I am going to tell about the rules of grammar. In this exercises. I am going to tell about the rules of grammar, and so student listen carefully what I am going to explaining. Exercise G. Match the three columns and make sentence. Say them aloud. Here you have to make three columns and match the sentence. First of all, I, we, you, they. So student, you have what helping word? What helping verb you have to use with this I, we, you, they? Students, you have to use have with this subject, and because have is used with plural object, so you have to add have with I, we, you, they. And what will you use with he or she? What helping verb will you be used with he or she? You have to use has with he and she. So student, because he and she indicate the singular object, singular subject, so you have to add has. Has is always used with singular person, and have is always used with plural, but there is just some exception, that is I and you, because I and you is a singular, but have is always used with I and you. This is the exception of this rules. So student, I hope you all understand about this rules, and now come on the exercises which is related to this rules. I have books, he has toys. I have books. You have used have with I, and you have used has with he. Now come on exercise H. Fill in the blanks with has or have. So student, in this exercises you have to fill has or have at this given space. Now come on first. Jojo dash or top. Here Jojo is a singular person, so you have to use has with Jojo. You have to use has with Jojo because Jojo is singular. Now come on second. Mona and Isha dash long hair. Here there is a talking about more than one person, that is Mona and Isha. So you have to add have, because have is always used with plural subject. So the answer is have. Now come on third. Tina dash a new bicycle. Here Tina is a singular person. Tina is only one name. So you have to use has, because has is always used with singular person, and Tina is a only one person. So you have to use has with Tina. Now come on fourth. The baby bird dash a red beaks. The baby bird. Baby bird is the only one baby bird, not birds. Here only bird. So student, here you have to use has, because has is always used with singular, and there is a talking about the only one baby bird. So here you have to use has. Now come on fifth. I dash many friends. So student, I have already told you that you have always used have with I. So here is the I, so you have to use have. Now come on 6. Grandma dash a pet rabbit. Here grandma is the only one person, so you have to use has with grandma, because there is a talking about the only one person, so you have to use has, because has is always used with singular person. Now come on next exercise. Student writing. Label the bird, then use word from the cloud to write about the bird. So student, here you have to choose you have to choose the word from this cloud. That is the cloud. You can say it a hint box, and you have to choose word from this hint box and write at this blank space. Now first of all you have to identify the parts of the bird and write at this blank space. First of all you have to identify what is this, which part. This is the head, so you have to choose head. That is head from this hint box and write the head at this blank space. Write the head at this blank space. Now come on next. What is this? What is this? This is a beak of the bird. So you have to choose beak from this hint box. Where is beak? This is the beak. You have to choose beak from this hint box, or you can say it's a cloud, and write beaks at this place. Beak. Now come on next part. What is this? This is a eye. The student, you have to choose eyes from this hint box. Eyes, and write eyes at this given space. Now come on next. What is this? This is a wing. So you have to choose wing from this cloud, or you can say it's the hint box, and write wings at this given place. Now look at this. What is this? This is the feet of a bird. So you have to choose feet from this cloud. This is a feet, and you have to write feet at this given space. Now come on, the fill in the blanks which is related to this birds. First of all, first one is already filled. This is a bird. It has a head. Third, it has wings. You have to choose the word from this hint box and write at this blank space. Fourth, it has a beak. Fifth, it has eyes. Sixth, it has feet. So students, I hope you all understand about this exercises, and you have to write all these exercises in your CW and SW copy and complete your copy. Today, complete your copy. This is your homework, and tomorrow I will check your CW and SW copy in your live class. So you have to complete all these exercises in your copy. Thank you.